Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the basics are correct. First, raise the device media volume with the physical buttons. This controls voice playback volume. Once done, make sure Bluetooth is off or that the correct headset is selected because audio may route to another device. Now open WhatsApp and find the specific voice message. Play it while watching the volume level. Doing this confirms whether the issue is system routing or the app, and it gets you ready for the next troubleshooting steps. Next, you handle the more detailed checks. While a message plays, use volume controls to see whether media or in-call volume changes. That tells you which audio channel is active. Then clear WhatsApp cache on Android or force close and reopen the app on iOS to reset audio sessions. Make sure WhatsApp and your OS are updated. Outdated software can mismanage audio. Finally, confirm WhatsApp has microphone and storage permissions, because missing permissions sometimes degrade playback behavior. To conclude, you apply final remedies and a key tip. Restart your phone to clear lingering audio issues, then test messages from a different contact and toggle speaker versus earpiece to isolate the problem. If playback remains low volume, back up chats and reinstall WhatsApp. This resets app-level audio settings. One troubleshooting tip: check Bluetooth profiles and disable AVIC or unpaired devices, because stuck audio routing is a common silent culprit. Making sure audio routes to the intended speaker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.